Hello student, myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MBM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. In last episode, we learned about B2 and C2 molecules. Today, we discuss about N2 molecules. So, what is MO diagram of N2 molecules? So, electronic configuration of nitrogen atom. Here ground state of electronic configuration nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Second nitrogen atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Therefore in N2 molecule there will be 14 electrons. So we can draw the MO diagram of N2 molecule. Here 1 nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Total 14 electron accommodated in this MO diagram. So there is no unpaired electrons in MO of N2 molecule. So this is BMO, ABMO, N by 2 BMO, N by 2 ABMO, pi to py, pi to pz. Total number of electrons in BMO here 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 8 and 10. And anti-bonding molecular orbital ABMO, how many electrons in ABMO? Here 2 and 2. Total 4 electrons in ABMO and total 10 electrons in BMO. So order of energy, sigma 1s is less than sigma star 1s, is less than sigma 2s, is less than sigma star 2s, is less than pi to py is equal to pi to pz, is less than sigma to px, is less than pi star to py is equal to pi star to pz, is less than sigma star to px. Therefore molecular electronic configuration of nitrogen, so N2MO is equal to sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi to py2, pi to pz2, sigma to px2, pi star to py is equal to pi star to pz 0 and sigma star to px also 0. So what is bond order in N2? So let's calculate the bond order. Bond order is equal to 1 of Nb minus Na, where Nb is equal to number of electrons in BMO and Na means number of electrons in ABMO. So bond order is equal to here number of electrons in Nb 10 and number of electrons in ABMO 4. So 6 by 2, here 3. Thus the value of bond order 3 indicates that there is a triple bond and triple bond N between two nitrogen atom in N2 molecules, and hence it is more stable or less reactive. It is N triple bond N. What is magnetic properties of N2? Moreover, as all the electrons in MO of N2 molecules are paired, therefore it is diamagnetic in nature. Therefore N2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Now let's comparison stability of N2 and N2 plus 1 molecule ion. So how N2 plus 1 molecule form? So here N2 plus 1 molecule ion, when one electron is removed from sigma to px BMO of N2 molecule, we can get N2 plus 1 molecule ion. So one electron is removed from sigma to px BMO of N2 molecule. So let's see MO of N2. Here one electron of sigma to px, here one electron is removed. Therefore N2 plus 1 molecule ion is formed. If addition, so one electron is added in pi to py, but when removed electron, so here in sigma 2px higher energy, here one electron is removed first. So one electron when removed in sigma 2px, we can get N2 plus 1 molecule ion. So what is N2 molecules electronic configuration? So molecular electronic configuration of N2 plus 1 ion, here is N2 plus 1 MO is equal to sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 pi 2py2 pi 2pz2 sigma 2px1. Here sigma 2px1 in N2, here 2 electrons. Now when from N2 plus 1, here 1 electron is removed from sigma 2px. So we can get here N2 plus 1 molecular electronic configuration. So what is bond order? So here 1 electron is less in BMO. So now let's calculate bond order. Bond order is equal to 1 half NB minus NA, where NB is equal to number of electrons in BMO and Na is equal to number of electrons in ABMO. So let's now in NB, number of electrons in BMO, now 9 electrons total. In N2 there are 10 electrons, but when N2 plus 1 molecule form, 1 electron is removed from 2p x BMO of N2 molecules. So here 9 minus 4, so 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So here 2.5 bond order in N2 plus 1, and in N2 there is 3 bond order. Now let's see what is magnetic properties of N2 plus 1. Moreover, as there is 1 unpaired electrons in sigma 2px MO of N2 plus 1 molecule ion. Therefore, it is paramagnetic in nature. If paramagnetic, so let's we calculate magnetic momentum mu is equal to under root n plus 2 bm Bohr magneton. Here mu is equal to magnetic momentum, n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. So how many number of electrons here? 1. So put the value n is equal to 1. So mu is equal to under root 3. Therefore 1.73 Bohr magneton. Therefore now let's see what is stability order. N2 molecule bond order is 3, is more stable due to higher bond order value than the N2 plus 1 molecule ion. Bond order 2.5. So in N2 plus 1 molecule there is 2.5 bond order, and in N2 molecule there is bond order value is 3. So if more bond order, it is more stable. So N2 molecule is more stable than N2 plus 1 molecule ion. Now let's discuss another important molecule, O2 molecule. MO diagram of O2 molecule or stability order. O2 plus 2 is greater than O2 plus 1 is greater than O2 is greater than O2 minus 1 and O2 minus 2. Now let's see what is electronic configuration of oxygen atom. Here oxygen Z is equal to 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Another oxygen Z is equal to 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Therefore in O2 molecule there will be 16 electrons. There will be 16 electrons. Now let's draw MO diagram of O2 molecule. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Another oxygens here 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. So number of electrons here in O2, 16 electrons. So 16 electrons accommodated in this O2 MO diagram. So how many in BMO number of electrons is here? BMO, ABMO, BMO, ABMO, these 6 electrons BMO and these 2 electrons in ABMO. So in O2 molecule, two unpaired electrons and remaining electrons are paired. So it is two unpaired electron. So it is paramagnetic in nature. O2 molecule is paramagnetic in nature. Now let's calculate the value of bond order here. 2 plus 2 4 6 8 10. So in total number of electrons in BMO of O2 molecule 10 electrons, and how many electrons in ABMO here? 2 plus 2 4 5 and 6 total electrons in ABMO. So now let's see order of energy and bond order. So order of energy, same, we write the sequence lower to higher energy, sigma 1s to sigma star 2px. So what is molecular electronic configuration? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2 is equal to pi 2p z2 and pi star 2py1 and pi star 2pz1, sigma star 2px0. So here we can also write the Mulliken term k dash z sigma 2, y sigma 2, x sigma 2, w pi 4, v pi 4, u sigma 0. So now what is bond order? Bond order is equal to 1 half Nb minus Na. Nb means number of electrons in BMO and Na is equal to number of electrons in ABMO. So bond order is equal to 10 minus 6, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Thus the value of 2 indicates that there is a double bond O double bond O between two oxygen atoms in O2 molecules. It is O double bond O. So what is magnetic properties of O2 molecule? The presence of two unpaired electrons indicates that O2 molecule is paramagnetic in nature. If paramagnetic, so let's calculate mu. So mu is equal to under root n plus 2 Bm Bohr magneton. So here number of electrons unpaired n is equal to 2. So put the value of n here. So under root 8. So under root 8's value is 2.83 Bm. Now let's see stability order of O2 plus 1, O2 plus 2, O2, O2 minus 1 and O2 minus 2. So let's first see O2 plus 1 molecule ion. So when one electron is removed from pi star to pz MO of O2 molecule, we can get O2 plus 1 ion. In O2 molecule, one electron is removed and we get O2 plus 1 molecule ion. So molecule ions here, molecular electronic configuration of O2 plus 1 in pi star to pz, one electron is removed here. So what is bond order O2 plus 1? So bond order is equal to 1 half Nb minus Na. Same we calculate. So how many number of electrons in BMO 10 and number of electrons in Na is equal to 5. So in molecular electronic configuration, if star every star is belongs to anti-bonding, and without star they are belongs to BMO. So we can calculate here from BMO and ABMO also. So in O2 molecule 2.5 bond order. And what is magnetic property? The presence of one unpaired electrons in pi star to py MO of O2 plus 1 molecule ion. Therefore it is paramagnetic in nature. If paramagnetic, so let's see, let's calculate the mu. Mu is equal to under root n plus 2. Here n is equal to 1. So put the value of n. So under root 3, the value of under root 3 is equal to 1.73 Bohr magneton. Now let's see another molecule ion, O2 plus 2 molecule ion. So how many electrons here removed plus 2. If plus charge, there is one or more electrons are removed. Here plus 2 means 2 electrons are removed in O2 molecular orbitals. So when 2 electrons are removed from pi star to py and pi star to pz, MO of O2 molecule, we can get O2 plus 2 molecule ion. So molecular electronic configuration of O2 plus 1, here one more electrons is removed from pi star to py and pi star to pz. So these 2 electrons are when removed, we can get O2 plus 2 ions. So how many electrons are in BMO? Here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. How many electrons are in ABMO? Here 2 and 2 plus 4. So what is bond order? Here 10 minus 4. Therefore 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So in O2 plus 2, bond order is 3. What is magnetic property? The presence of paired electrons indicates that O2 plus 2 molecule ion is diamagnetic in nature. Now let's here O2 minus 1 molecule ion, how O2 minus 1 obtained? So O2 minus 1 ion can be obtained by the addition of one more electron to O2 molecular orbital. In O2, pi to py is equal to pi to pz are completely filled, and therefore new entering electron will enter the pi star to py orbital. So what is molecular electronic configuration? Here one more electrons one more electron is added in O2 MO diagram. So here molecular electronic configuration here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star as well in O2 molecular. Here one electron and one electron, one more electron addition first here. So in pi star to py2 and pi star to pz1. So now let's see what is bond order. So bond order is equal to here in NB number of electrons in BMO are 10 and number of electrons in ABMO are 7. So 10 minus 7, 3 by 2. Here 1.5 bond order are present. So what is magnetic properties? The presence of one unpaired electrons in pi star to pz, MO of O2 minus 1 molecule ion. So it is paramagnetic in nature. So what is paramagnetic nature? So mu is equal to under root n plus 2 where n is equal to 1. So under root 3 again mu under root is equal to 1.73 Bohr magneton. In last O2 minus 2 molecule ion, how it is formed? O2 minus ion can be obtained by the addition of 2 more electron to O2 molecular orbital. In O2, pi to py is equal to pi to pz are completely filled, and therefore new entering electron will enter the pi star to py and pi star to pz orbital. So what is molecular electronic configuration of O2 minus 2 here? So completely filled pi star to py and pi star to pz. In O2 here 1 and here 1, but when 2 more electrons are added here, so here 2 and here 2. So what is bond order? So bond order is equal to number of electrons in BMO 10 and ABMO 8. So 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So magnetic properties of O2 minus 2, the presence of all paired electrons in O2 minus 2 ion indicates that the O2 minus 2 molecule ion is diamagnetic in nature. So now what is stability order? Here molecular ion O2, O2 plus 1, O2, O2 minus 1 and O2, total number of electrons, how many in O2? 8, 1 Z is equal to 8, so 8 into 2, 16. Here 1 electron is less, so 15, 2 electron is less here, so 14 electrons. Here in O2 minus 1, 1 electron is more added, so 16 plus 1 here 17, and O2 minus 2, 2 more electrons in O2, there 18 electrons. So bond order 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5. Here bond order value decreasing. So and bond length also here see increasing. So here if bond order decreasing, bond length increasing. So diamagnetic, paramagnetic. So stability order here, O2 plus 2 molecular ion is more stable due to higher bond order value than the other molecule ion. So this decreasing bond order value, we can write stability order of O2. Here O2 plus 2 is more bond order value 3, here 2.5, 2, and O2 minus 1, 1.5, and O2 minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is the stability order of O2 to O2 plus 2 to O2 minus 2 ions. Thanks.